In this video, you will learn how to find unique values in a column using advanced filter option. So this is the list of customers in which customers are repeated. Xcon here, Xcon is here, WBC pipes. So we will go to data in the menu. Click on data. In the sort and filter section, click on advanced. So filter the list in place and copy to another location. I will use filter the list in place. List range is automatically selected. You can see to A37. So list is already selected, and there is a unique records only. So I click on unique records only. Click OK. So it will create the unique list of customers from that previous list. I will do Control Z. See, this was the list with a lot of customer names repeated. When I did that, it got reduced to just 9 records. So I'll undo the changes. Now again I will click on advanced and use copy to another location option. So click on copy to another location option. Same list, unique records. If I want to maintain this list of customers, but copy unique values to another location. So copy to, there is a here, so copy to here, column D. Click OK. So the unique list got created from this list of customers in another location. Instead of creating unique values in the same place, so it copied unique values to another location. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful, and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.